Welcome to another Inspiration and Education, a series, featuring a breakdown of our Duets by Gemini line of engraving sheet stock. Just as there are multiple ways to use these substrates, you may have heard of them referred to in various ways, such as modified acrylic or plastic. Today's episode, we're featuring the Duets Accent line. Duets Accents is an acrylic sheet material offered in a range of transparent, translucent, and opaque colors. The solid colors are mostly used for vector cutting, and the transparent and translucent colors can be vector cut and raster engraved. All three categories come in an 1/8 and 1/4 inch options and are both rated for indoor and outdoor use. The three transparent or glass colors will laser similar to cast acrylic and give you a frosted white look, while the translucent colors will offer a subtle contrast when lasered, but give you the option of a matte or gloss to be the front of your sheet. Here you can see the difference with the transparent green glass versus the translucent turquoise. The accents can easily be paired with Duets Tactiles and can be laser or rotary engraved. We touched on Duets Tactile in a previous episode, which you can view by clicking on the link in the top right-hand corner of the video. Now that you've seen the material, let's look at some examples of what can be made with these accents. Here I've combined the crimson red and clear gloss, both in the 1/8 inch thickness, and with some of our exclusive red CodaPro standoffs, I used my laser to vector cut the circle shapes and reverse engraved onto the back of the clear piece. This quick process makes for an easy, eye-catching three-dimensional sign. The solid core colors of the Duets Accents provide a great base for UV printing. Here I have the 1/4 inch polar white cut to a custom shape from my laser and ready to print on with my UV printer. Direct layering is also a great option for gaining dimension to your signage. Using my laser and cutting some simple shapes, words, and icons with the Duets applique and then adding adhesive, I can bring some life to the imagery, opening up to a world of possibilities. Build up your signage game today and add that next dimension to your offerings. For more information about Duets Accents, check us out online or give us a call today and make your mark.